Library workshops are now offered online. From the library homepage, scroll down to All Workshops. After you select the workshop, click on Book Now and register. Include your student ID number. Then you'll receive an email confirming your booking, and 24 hours before the class starts, you'll receive a reminder email with the link you need to join the workshop. You might find the link works best in the Google Chrome browser, and you'll need a speaker or earphones. Click on the class link at least 15 minutes before the start of the class to check the audio setup on your device. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted on how to do this. Keep the mic turned off unless you're speaking to the group, and you won't need to turn on your video. Your teacher may get you to use the chat function. Click on the speech bubble, then click on the Say Something box and type your message. When you're done, click Enter. You can also use chat to get help with any technical difficulties before the session starts and to ask questions. The teacher will get back to you when they can. They may also introduce an activity and put you into separate discussion groups for a few minutes. Chat is then private to your group. Turn on your mic to have discussions. The teacher controls when you go back to the main teaching space, but you can click on the raised hand if you have a problem, and the teacher may join your group to help you. If you can't make it to an online library workshop, go to the workshop details pages to find short videos with all the main teaching points from the workshops. We look forward to seeing you online.